Hey guys, this is Mr. Decker. This is the Express Course, Lesson 9, Snowflakes with Anna and Elsa. Let it go, let it go. Yeah, so there you go. There's that. All right, computer science standard. Let's see, we've got decompose, break down problems into smaller manageable sub-problems to facilitate the program development process. That's a lot of syllables. Okay, use an iterative process to plan the development of a program by including others' perspectives and considering user preferences. The essential question for this lesson is, why is it important to break down code into smaller problems to create a larger program? Good question. This entire lesson is on code.org. Make sure you are signed in on code.org with your school Google account. Your grade for this lesson will be based on your programming in the lesson on code.org. Watching this video that you're watching right now is mandatory. Watch the video as you work your way through the lesson on code.org. The best practice is to watch me do a step, pause the video, and then complete the step on code.org. Repeat until you're finished. If you can't hear the video, there's no video inside this video. This is not video inception, just one video here. So forget about that. You can adjust the video quality, however, to see a clear video playback by clicking on the gear at the bottom of the video itself. Let's go. All right, heading over to code.org, looking at the Express course, we're going to navigate down to Snowflakes with Anna and Elsa, Bubble 1. Let's go. Or let it go. All right. Hi, I'm Elsa of Arendelle. Help me draw a shape. Draw a hexagon with 50 pixel long sides. To draw a hexagon, you will need to move forward by 50 pixels, turn right by 60 degrees, and repeat a total of 6 times. Okay, so let's grab a repeat block. We need to repeat it 6 times, it said. And inside that, we're moving forward by 50 pixels. Boom, boom, boom. And the next step is to turn right by 60 degrees. Oh, it's already made. Cool. All right. Let's run it. She's so fast. She's like the fastest ice skater ever. All right, run. There, we slowed her down. Okay. Continue. Bubble 2. Good job. Good job, Homestar. All right. After your hexagon, turn right by 60 degrees, then draw a line that is 150 pixels long. Okay. It says after drawing the hexagon, so we're just making this line here. All right. So outside of the loop. And finish by putting Elsa back to the center of the play area using jump to the middle center position. Got it. We can do that. Let's run it. Whoop, whoop. Where did we mess up? Let's see. Turn right by 60 degrees. Missed that. My bad. Run it. Yay, Elsa. Okay. Bubble 3. Let's make a snowflake. To turn this code into a snowflake, nest all of the code inside of another repeat loop and run it a total of 6 times. You should only need to add 1 block. Okay. So to turn this code into a snowflake, nest all of the code inside another repeat loop and run it a total of 6 times. Okay, I see what it's saying. Grab this, snap it in 6 times. Oh, typing it in doesn't work, so selecting 6. You should only need to add 1 block. That's what we did. Let's run it. Nice. This is highly satisfying to watch. Mesmerized. Okay, so let's replay this and understand how this is working. So I'm just going to run it, and over here we can see the code, or as the computer is reading the code and sequencing it. Right. So it's going to run everything within this big loop 6 times. It's going to run everything within this nested loop 6 times, the move forward and turn right. And then after it runs this 6 times, it's going to move down to this and then zoop back up to the top. Right? And then it's going to run this 6 times. And then it's going to run these and then zoop back up to the top. And it'll do that 6 times until she's drawn out the entire snowflake. All right. I'm going to speed it up and we're going to move on to the next one. Awesome. Okay. Bubble 4. Let's make our snowflakes special. Special snowflakes. Okay. Inspiration. Where do you need to add code if you want to draw a tiny square at the tip of each long line? You can try whatever you want in this puzzle, but here is an idea. Try making a tiny square at the end of each line, so it's kind of drawn out for us, the pattern it wants us to make. Each side should be 15 pixels long, each side of this little square. 15 pixels long. You should turn by 90 degrees, right? Because squares always have 90-degree angles, and repeat those actions a total of 4 times. Okay, so let's see how we can do this. All right, each side should be 15 pixels long, but where should we put this code? Okay, so right now we've got one big loop telling it to repeat 6 times. We've got one nested loop that's repeating 6 times, and that's making this interior part. And then outside of that, it's running this part where it's making this section, but we don't have the squares yet. So I think we're going to need another repeat. Let's see. And it needs to repeat 4 times. And it said within that, each side should be 15 pixels long. You should turn by 90 degrees. Okay. So move forward 15 pixels. Whoop. And then turn left by 90 degrees. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. 90. Chunk. Okay, so all right, so it's going to run this part 6 times where it's doing the interior, and then it's going to turn right and send it all the way out here 150 pixels, and then at that point it would jump back to the center. So it would jump back to the center before it drew this. So I'm going to put this here, and then after it draws my square, it'll jump back to the center. And that's what I want. I think that should work. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, cool. It works. Next bubble, bubble 5. Try changing the shapes or the lengths of the lines to make this your own. And by making it your own, they mean we want you to copy this pattern over here. All right. Inspiration. You can change your drawing in any way you want, but here's an idea. Try switching the types of shape in the middle of the snowflake with the one at the end of each line. So when I run it, it's going to be the same thing that it did last time. What it wants me to do is it wants to draw squares in the middle and these hexagons on the outside. So let's thinky think here. I think we just need to change this because 60 degrees is making it kind of like a diamond. We want it to be 90 degrees. So it makes a square. Let's run that. Yeah, that's messed up. And then turns right by 60 degrees and moves forward by 150 pixels to send it out. But it needs to move forward by 15 pixels, right, to make those sides, same length of the square sides, but the degrees is not going to be correct because we're not making squares. Let's try 60 degrees to make hexagons. And we're repeating this 6 times because 6 hexagons have 6 sides. And this I need to change. That makes me think. I need to change this one to 4 because we're making squares. I think that might have been my issue before. Okay. Yeah, it's working. It works. I'm smart. Okay, continue. And we're on to the next one. And it should run the same way. Yeah, it does. So now, ooh, it wants me to make a zigzag. Let's try something new. This time, skating a zigzag. All right. Easier said than done, compadre. Okay. Inspiration. Try changing your long 150 pixel line into 6 short lines of 25 pixels. Okay. So to make that happen, she's going to go bump, 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 and then draw that. So my repeat loop needs to be before this repeat loop because it's drawing that out at the end and it's got to get out there first. And I need to take out some code. I need to get rid of this move. Move forward. You go there. You go there. This we want to repeat how many times? 3 times because it's going to zigzag. And it's zigzagging goes ziggy, 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 zig. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 times. Yeah, I was right. And it's going to have to, it says, make 6 short lines of 25 pixels. So yeah, 6, I counted correctly. Turn by 45 degrees in alternate directions after each short line to get a zigzag look. Where do you need to put a repeat block? I think I've got my repeat block in the right spot. So let's see. So let's move forward by 25 pixels. And then turn right, hopefully first, by 45 degrees. And then we need to move forward again by 25 pixels. And then we'll turn left to make this zigzag. Ziggy, 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 zig, zigzag, zigzag. So turning left by 25 degrees. Where's 20? Wait, what? Hold on. Oh, move 45 degrees. Jeez, I'm getting all mixed up here. Okay, let's try this. Maybe that's right. I've got good feelings about it. Yes. Perfecto. And we're done with this lesson. This was kind of a short one, but kind of a little bit complicated, right? Lots of nested loops, lots of angles and degrees and distances to get right. Yeah. All right, cool. On to the next one.